All right, we want to find the similarity ratio of two similar prisms with surface areas of 121 square feet and 225 square feet. So first thing to recognize is that the given information is in square feet. It's in terms of an area, and that is a two-dimensional concept. So the next thing is similarity ratio. When they ask you about similarity ratio, they're actually asking about sides. So ratio of sides. So what we have to do is take this and convert it from a squared term into a singular, or I guess an exponent of 1. So if I write my ratio of areas, it's 121 to 225, and that's in feet squared, feet squared. So what I need is in terms of just a side to a side. So I need it in terms of feet to the first over feet to the first. So how do I deal with that? Take the square root. Take the square root of the whole thing. It's equivalent to taking the square root of the top over square root of the bottom. Simplify this, and we get 11 feet over 15 feet. So our ratio of sides is 11 to 15.